For the outside section of our laundry to landscape Greywater system, you need a few tools, including pipe cutters, maybe some gloves. I made another drill hole into some vault boxes for a mulch basin, at least a 2-foot level, so you can make sure you have a downhill slope. As a kind of visual on it, I like to have it so that the bubble is just over the pipeline like that, so that it's about 2% slope and has a good drop, as well as pipe glue. So as you can see, this is the end of our line. We're going into a mulch basin, and this is one of the vault boxes. You can also use 5-gallon pots. It's just good to be able to open it up, look inside, make sure there's an air gap around your pipe, a couple inches before you hit mulch, and then it's mulch underneath. You want to check annually at least to make sure that you have mulch there. It will biodegrade and you'll need to add more mulch at some point, and that'll be great to just kind of throw on top of your tree space or anything like that, because it'll have good nutrients and probably even fungal growth. So we are now going uphill on the piping, and as you can see, I teed out into 2 basins for this pomegranate tree, which I planted along with strawberry and thyme, and I might plant some yarrow along the edge here or something. And so I filled this mostly up with mulch and used soil for the tree and plants, and then had another basin of mulch here. And that is basically it for your outdoor laundry to landscape. I used mostly a pickaxe for digging. You can use a shovel, or a 4-inch or 3-inch trenching shovel works really well as well. And then I would run a load of laundry and make sure that you have water coming out of each of the vaults as you would like, and then you are good to go.